has literally been raining for like 2 weeks, man. This is crazy. It just won't stop raining. But perfect day to cook up some lengua. We got the cow tongue in the crock pot. I told you guys when I started cooking this up, it's gonna be my favorite dish ever. Cooked it up like 5 times since the last time you've seen it. It's one of my favorite dishes, and also my other favorite dish is Costa Rica breakfast. Shorty just hooked it up. Yeah. Let's go.
Avena.
Oh, she's cooking up. She's got her own thing going on. Ooh, that looks good. It finally stopped raining for like an hour, so we had to get out of the house. We're down at the river. Jordy's looking for camarones. And there are just like these fish just coming out of this river here. They're literally just coming out and like just getting caught up. She's just finding them coming down the stream out to the river. So I guess it's bait fish. I'm not really sure what kind of fish that is. I'm down looking for some driftwood. Stuff like that. I just had to get out of the house. It is like so much rain, so much rain. There's so much rain. So we had to get out, just go for a walk, let the dogs get out. They're getting antsy. I'm getting antsy. She's getting antsy. We're out sitting around watching movies all day. It's not good. So we're out exploring. I'm on a driftwood hunt. Everything's soaking wet though. Whatever. It's gonna be just something to do. All the way, brother. Hunting for driftwood is like low-key one of my favorite things to do. It's just like your brain gets to just float off into this life of artisticness. Every piece has a purpose, and I don't know, I mean, you just find so much inspiration and potential in some of these pieces of wood. Can't take it all, but you could definitely find some fun little pieces. You get to go home, bring them home, and then figure it out from there. Let your brain just explode and figure out what you're gonna do with all this wood. If you don't use it, turn it into firewood. You guys want to clean a beach, it's impossible to do by yourself. Look at Shorty just found, just floating in the river. Oh my God, dude. Let him go. That's crazy. Well, we've got a whole bag full of potential ideas here. I don't know. I mean, again, like I said, you just get a bunch of wood, go home and see what you can make out of it. Plus, we got this bamboo. I think I'm gonna make some planters, cut some holes here, put some material, put some soil in there, make some planters out of some bamboo. We got a coconut. I don't know, man. We'll see what I can make out of all this. It's starting to rain though, so we're gonna get up out of here. Go home and make some barbecue cow tongue. Let's go. Let that barbecue just slide off into that lengua right there. Ooh. That, people, is going to be so good. Come on, people. That is Texas style barbecue lengua with the homemade coleslaw on a buttered bun. I've been waiting for this for so long. That is yours. Flip that bad boy over. Oh, that is exactly what I was thinking. Ooh, a little spicy. Still a little too much hot sauce in there.
Gracias.
Oh my goodness, is that what I think it is? Is that really the sun? Oh my God, it's the sun. The sun is finally out. So we're gonna head down to the beach, do a little surfing. Also got a cool little project happening down in Vida, so we're gonna go check that out, get started on that, because I've only got a couple of days to start it and finish it. So it's gonna be all of a sudden out of nowhere a productive day. I didn't realize I was gonna wake up to a sunny, bright, gorgeous day. So today will be a fun day. Also, I don't know if I showed you guys, but it's a mess right now. I'm getting everything set up, but just built this little studio desk. Pretty cool. We got the lights going, studio light here. Again, it is a mess, but it looks pretty cool at night. We got Kitty chilling, setting up for a little another little surprise here. Who knows? I don't know what's going on yet, but we're setting everything up. Looks good. We're gonna grab the projector screen so we can head over to my homie's house and start getting ready for this work. But man, besides all the junk on the desk, looks pretty good. We're going to the beach, girl? We're going to the beach? Oh, yeah, let's go. We go to Playa Hermoso? You happy? We go to the beach, girl? Alright, let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Woo, salud. Oh. You're excited. It's been so long since I've seen the sun. This place might be packed. What's going on here? Oh my God. This place is jamming. What? Holy Christ. This place is packed. One day with sun and the beach is jamming. Yep. It's a little wave out here. Little wave, little wave. Looks fun. Got the GoPro, came back out, and there's nothing out here. Just died instantly. Here's one. Nope. Maybe this one? Uh-huh. Full wave. Ah. Dog. Just died out of nowhere. Go, go, go! chicken spot here, Pollo Bahia. There's a couple different spots, but this spot is the best right here. What up, my bro? We are down here at my buddy's house in Bahia. He just bought this house here. Super cool house, and we're gonna do a little project. Get started on that tonight. Oh. Let's go check this place out. Here's the homie's house. Gordo, my buddy, he's on his way here. He should be here in a couple months. Just bought this beautiful crib with this pool and this cool little outdoor area. We're gonna be doing a mural right here. So he said, here's the key code to my house. Go enjoy the pool and let me know how the water is, because he's never been here. He's never actually been to this house, so I've been here more than he has, which is crazy. Alright, let's check out this wall here. Super cool. That's gonna be us. This whole thing. Throw some lights on. Oh yeah. We are chilling. Chilling. We are chilling. We are in the pool. Oh, they got a pool light too? Man, we're here all night. We're here all night, Gordo. I might just bring out my tent and sleep in your backyard. Alright. We got some good chicken here. Oh, that is what's up. Gorgeous. Wow, look at that. That's nice. We are back. Finishing up this mural. Last day here. Last day on the mural. It is almost done. Got a couple more finishing up touches. Gotta finish up some things, and that's it. We're heading out. We just got some empanadas. Shorty, look at the size of that thing. It's like the size of her, dude. For like $3. $6 for two of them. It's huge. Whoa. We are almost done here. Finishing up here. Check it out. Yes. Gotta finish up some stuff. I just gotta put some name tags on these guys. That's their 2 dogs. Pura Vida poolside grill. I just added this. I had the picture they had was them like kind of looking up, so I wanted to incorporate something up here, them looking at something, and I was gonna do like a gecko or something, but Shorty mentioned there's no butterflies. I didn't paint a butterfly, so I was like, you know, the morpho is symbolizes good luck, so that's some good luck for the homies moving here. We are pretty much finished. Looking good, looking good. Can't wait till the lights turn on, gets dark, turn the lights on, and then do a little reveal. This guy was super hard, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not amazing at painting, it's been a long time. That guy was not easy. But I'm gonna eat this big ass empanada. Finish up what we got going on tonight, because this is the last night we will be here. I'm impressed. Looks pretty good. I like it. I'll see you guys in a minute. I'm gonna go finish this food and get back to work. Let's go. Yeah. Well, it's hot. And check this out real quick. When we come to do a mural at your house, Shorty will clean everything. This girl is over here. She's over here literally cleaning everything, cleaning the whole house. You've been asking for it, and your wish is my command. The merch store is back up. Limited stuff, just 10 different items, some stickers, some clothing, some hats. Go check it out. Chenzaloon.company.site. I know it's kind of weird, but that's what it is. That's what it is, man. Go check it out. Perfect time for Christmas if you guys want to get some stuff for Christmas. All right, let's get back to this painting. Alright, that is it. We are finally done. It's been way longer than I expected it to be, but that's okay. That's what happens. Artistic stuff, you know, that's just what happens. It's been a long time since I did anything like this, so it took me more, you know, mental challenges. What the hell was that? It was a lot more mentally frustrating than anything else, but we are done, man. I want to show you this. I'm so excited. Let's get to it. Oh, you know what? Let's do it this way. I want to show you guys the Chenzaloon way. Well, that is it, people. I hope you enjoyed it. I appreciate you guys for liking these videos. I appreciate you guys for subscribing. I mean, that looks pretty good right there. Ooh, I like that. That might be a thumbnail. Something like ooh, come on, let's go. All right. Anyway, I love you guys so much. This YouTube stuff is fun. Look at that pool behind me. This looks good on camera. Gordon, your house looks great on camera. Now it looks even better. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Make sure you send this to your friends. Send it to your mom. Send it to your uncle. Send it to your aunt. Send it to somebody that cares. Get people to subscribe. more videos to come. I love you guys so much. Chenzaloon out. Oh, again, don't forget that merch. Go hit that merch. I love you guys. Ew.